Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the next episode. And today, we're actually going to touch a little topic towards friends. And no, I'm not speaking about friends as in the series, but friends as in friends and friendship. So, honestly, I myself am not a great fan of friends. Or friendship, or I don't believe in having long term friends, because there has been instances which has made me prove more towards this, and does not makes me believe a little more towards the friends. But वो होता है ना, that you have certain types of people that you don't have to talk with them for like ages, or like months, but still when you hear a text from them, or you don't need to have so many updates of their regular things that they're happening, or the daily activities. But once a while, when you speak with them, you feel so happy, you feel so relieved, you feel like good, like actual good. So for me, I have those types of friends a lot in my life. And I just got a text from my friend saying that, hey, how are you and all, and then I instantly had a smile on my face. So she texted me after like months, like 2 to 3 months, and it was so happy. And it's not like she ghosted me or I ghosted her, it's no. But so I have those types of friends where I don't have to text them regularly, and still when we hear or when we talk to each other, it feels as if we've continued the last conversation that we had. So I have a friend like that, and she's a little far away. But whenever I speak to her, I feel so happy कि मेरे को पता नहीं चलता that how many hours have just passed away. So I'm a type of person, I don't like to talk a lot on the call. So मैं से phone calls, or like you cannot speak more than 15 half an hour, more than that. So I get a little bored of having a conversation on the call. So but when I speak to this friend of mine, so it's never like below half an hour. We always end up speaking more than 1 hour, 2 hours. Last time when we were speaking, it almost crossed till 2 hours, and I was like, what the hell are we talking about? She's like, I don't know. We're just catching up. And then however and like the way it starts is so funny. She's like, hi bro, what's up? And then and we were like, okay, let's catch up. And when we catch up, the first thing is like, okay, what's the hot tea? And then we're like, and then I go like, this happened. Just tell me, if I'm wrong, or what is this? And then she's like, okay. And then it's so funny that she's like, अच्छा कब हुआ था ये? अच्छा okay, 1 महीने पहले. So I'm like, ah. Then she's like, okay, ठीक है, अब तो फिर sorted हो गया रहेगा. And then I'm like, नहीं, अभी भी sorted नहीं है. She's like, oh okay. And then so it's nice. I really like having such conversations. I mean, I believe that yes, you should have conversations with your friends like at times regularly and all. So then there are two types of friends. There are friendship that at times you have conversations daily with them, which is fine. But at times, when you have like in 2 to 3 days, once a while, or once in twice months, I think it's okay. It depends on how, or like what type of friendship you have, and like stages of friendship. Because for me, like personally, I love such types of friendship so much. And even with my best friends, even with my trio, I have the same friendship. Like um our walls of friendship for me, like I have two best friends, so our walls of friendship is a little more strong in the uh in the way of communication. So ऐसा नहीं we have a group जहाँ पे being like can you imagine, like you have a group of your best friends, and तुम वहाँ पे conversations होते हैं like 2-3 दिन में एक बार, or once in a week, or when, or just like kind of conversation like when are we meeting next, and fixing the date, or so ऐसे types के conversation होते हैं. And honestly, to adapt to such type, because I wasn't, it took a little while, like why you like why you guys don't just message on the group, or like what is this and all. And then slowly they updated me. They made me good. So I have the same types of friendship with my best friends, that I don't have to call Muskan and be like, hey bro, kya kara tumne aaj, or bro, this, because we know that if anything goes south, um, the other two are there. So if anything goes south for me, I know Muskan and Durga is there. So if anything goes south for Durga, like she knows that Muskan and Vinita is there. So that types of friendships, I really like it. Um, Also the types of long distance friendship, I'm not a great fan of it, but I think I'm getting a little used to because of two people. One people being in Pune, I haven't met her for a year, and as a little bad or shameless person from my side, I'm just being a shameless person and not meeting her. But I feel like I have a long distance friendship with her, even living after like 2 years, 2 hours apart. But yeah, I think I believe a little on the long distance friendship as well. Some people have proved me wrong and some people have proved me right. So, but I think the most interesting or the most funny or lovable conversations I is, when like somebody texts me after a long time, because it's like, you're catching up their life, they're catching up your life, and then it is so amazing. So whenever I get a call from my friend, like, so whenever get a call from Anshu, now Anshu and I, we speak after like every 2 months, or like she always tells me that, if you have anything to talk about, I am there and all. And now she's such a close friend of mine, and I've told her the same thing. So whenever these days, like, say suppose, if we had a conversation today, and then if I message her tomorrow and be like, hey bro, and then she's like, all okay. She's like, hey, what's up, all okay? And I'm like, huh, just texting you normal. She's like, okay, I thought like something came up. Like, no, no, no. And then when she and I catch up, we go for hours, and she's like, Vinny, this has happened, and I'm like, ये हो गया मेरे साथ, or काम बड़ा fucked up चल रहा है. Then she's like, same. And then, so it's very nice to catch up with her. um, but apart from that, catching up with other friends of yours is surely very nice, because I am a person, I get bored very easily. So to have a conversation with such a person like me, and keep the conversation going so that I don't feel bored, is a little difficult. But I love talking with my friends, especially because when you grow up and all, you start having small small circles and like very few selected friends in your life. And for like when they become so good, also close friends of yours, you start giving them names and all, right? So for me, I have friends and I have people. So my people, so I have a very small circle, where very few selected people are there. So when I talk with them even after ages, and मेरे को ज़रूरत नहीं है that I have to text them regularly, so when I talk with them after like months or like after ages, it surely feels good. So I was just talking to one of my friends and I was like, let me record this. So I know people out there have experienced this, and I think they're trying to understand, or they would have understood what I'm trying to say. ऐसा नहीं है that it's always like good friendship that you face. You also face bad friendship, but it teaches you a lot of things. So I don't have regret meeting anyone, or being a friend of anyone, or they being a friend of mine. But some people are very close, and some people are very special, and the conversation is special as well. So yeah, just wanted to give them a shout out, or just wanted to record a podcast about them as well, because it's nice to talk with such types of people and friends. So yeah, thank you so much for listening. Bye bye, and see you in the next one.